Ready? Start. Sir, we notice all sorts of methods are being employed to weaken our country, to disturb peace in our country. Efforts are being made to create a feeling among the tolerant and peaceful people of this country that may change the lifestyle here. We do not have to submit to separatists, we have to face them. We will face all of them with all our might who try to weaken our freedom, our security and our future through threats, pressurization and causing infights. We will not allow them to rise. We will not stop till terrorism completely eliminated or till the terrorists do not return to the country's mainstream giving up their arms. We do not have to give up our courage. We do not have to be fearful. Gandhiji had said independence means fearlessness. Against that, a nation afraid of death cannot become free, and if it attains freedom, it cannot protect it. The words of Gandhiji should resound in our ears today, and we must face this challenge boldly. We must remember that we will not counter them for taking revenge. If we try to take revenge, then it will only serve the designs of the terrorists. Revenge would only bring victory of terrorism. If we use restraint, terrorism will weaken and ultimately get defeated. We must not fall in the trap of terrorism. Gandhiji had said that license can have an answer to violence. Only non-violence can be an answer to violence. India holds its head high in the world today. The voice of India is heard in the world with respect. Why? How is it that a country which was a slave poor till 50 years ago, and about which people used to think that it would never stand on its own and could not safeguard its freedom, now speak out in such a strong voice? It has been possible because we moved forward, taking with us the concepts of Gandhiji, principles of Panditji, and the path shown by patriots. We have learnt to speak fearlessly. We have learnt not to submit under pressures. We have learnt to move forward on the path of non-violence with courage and facing the challenges boldly. We launched a movement against the atomic weapons in the world during the last 50 years. Today, many powerful countries are attracted towards it, which is dangerous for the whole population of the universe. The feeling of that Gandhiji and Panditji had brought to the fore before our independence is now spreading throughout the world. After 40 or 50 years, it is just insanity that we continue to manufacture weapons while the available weapons alone can extinguish the entire world 50 times. It is really madness that 15 to 20 million rupees are spent every minute in the world on arms race. Even a small fraction of it can help a lot of eradicating poverty, diseases, and unemployment today. India is paying attention to these things. We are paying attention to human rights and human dignity. Stop.